Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm at Pernera and we're going to go for a seaside picnic. We might have a little evening swim. Going to go down to the bakery and pick up a picnic. Before we go, I'm going to go to La Paz, maybe have a slow beer and meet a viewer. So there's La Paz, virtually at the end of the strip or the main road where all the bars and restaurants are. Here we are guys, we've got a slow beer. You've got a slow beer, haven't you? This is our viewer. Can I take your name for the camera?
It's Kevin.
It is Kevin and you're having slow beer.
Nice cold slow beer.
It is a nice slow beer. Greedy Chops has got a mojito, large mojito. And we've met you before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Let's take your name again.
I'm Gary.
You are Gary. What are you having?
I've got a slow cider.
Oh, that looks delish actually.
It is delish.
It does look delish. And this lovely lady?
Debbie.
What are you drinking, Debbie?
A slow vodka Coke.
Oh, slow vodka and Coke. And this new arrival, this lovely lady
I'm
here.
Jane.
Jane, and what are you having, Jane? A cocktail?
A quick cocktail.
Oh, it looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Has it got alcohol in it?
It has, I'm
Why
afraid.
not?
Yeah,
Go
I'm on
for it.
holiday.
Is that the first or second one?
First.
Just the first one?
Yeah, I need to catch up.
Oh, you do, girl. Don't worry. It's early. You've got all night. I've nearly missed it. There's two 101s next to each other. Look. That is amazing.
And they go to
And they go to where?
Paralimini.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
10 out of 10.
102
He's a very good class.
goes to the water park.
The 102 to the water park.
Exactly.
And where's the 7-Eleven go?
Now you got me.
And that goes to Larnaca.
Ah, there we go.
So here we are guys at Zorbus Bakery. This one is in Kaparis. And this is a really big bakery guys. It does hot food. It's got a massive hot food counter. We're not having hot food, I don't think. There we are. We've even got salmon. Got loads of stuff in there. So that's the hot food. And then they've got this giant area here. There's drinks and cakes. Right, there's the drinks. Gonna grab a drink. So you get your bread, of course, and your milk. Wow, look at the size of those cakes. Wow. Oh, hit the glass then. So you can get the mini versions. Look, there's the big version. Look at that, that's only 10 euros, that big cake. That's good value. Or you can get these miniature ones. Are you going to get a miniature one? The crew's looking for a muffin. Oh, they've got ice cream as well, look. Got healthy options. Fruit, that's melon in a bowl, $2.75. There's also a coffee shop, there it is over there, you can get coffee. And this is the sandwich bar. You pick what you like, any filling you like. I'm going to get a pie, guys. I want to get chicken pie if they've got any. There's the pizzas, but I fancy a chicken pie. Let's have a look, see if they've got one. Chicken bake they've got. No, chicken pie.
Chicken pie.
Oh, okay. So, right, so they've got chicken bake, guys. I've never tried the chicken bake before. I normally have chicken pie, which is round one. We'll try that. Oh, is that what you're going to have? Oh, red velvet bowl, €2. Looks delish. This all looks delish. Oh, that's the traditional Cypriot orange pie. That's delish as well. This is the ice cream being made. So here we are on our picnic, aren't we? And the crew's gone up to get their food. I've gone to the bakery and got mine. Sun's about to go down. Guys, I forgot to tell you where we are. We're in Pernera. We're on the tiny little beach. There we are. There's a massage lady up there. Or we could have an evening massage. Still open, look. Someone's just finished their massage. Nip up there and have a massage. Anyway, we're going to go in the sea, guys. Yes, we're going to have a evening swim, a little picnic. There's no lifeguard now, guys. They've gone home. And the sunbeds are free now, guys. If you come down here in the evening and you want a evening swim, you can use the sunbeds for free. We're nearly ready for our picnic on the beach. Sun's going down. We might have a little nibble, guys, then go into the sea. It's cooled down today. It's about 32 degrees today during the day. Yesterday it got right up to 40 degrees. It was sweltering. It wasn't very nice yesterday. A bit too hot. Anyway, so Sue's got a proper picnic. Now that's what you call a proper picnic, isn't it? We cheat. We're going down to the bakery. So you've got an apple, of course, a sandwich,
pickled onion, some nuts and raisins.
Oh, delish!
And some crisps.
And some crisps as well. Proper picnic. How about that? So what you got?
We have a chicken giraffe.
Is that a kebab?
It's a kebab.
So it's not a picnic, is it? It's a kebab.
It's a picnic. It's a Cypriot picnic.
It's a Cypriot picnic. Very good. I like that. He's got out of that one. And what you got?
Same as him.
Same as. Oh, it looks delish though. Oh, delish. And what you got?
I've got a picnic. It's a picnic's eating outside.
You've
Halloumi
got
kebab.
A halloumi kebab. Oh, delish. Right. What have I got? Nothing. Oh no, guys. We've been to Zulbus, haven't we? There's Zulbus. So there's mine, Zulbus, and I've got a chicken pie and oh, I forgot, guys. What did we get?
Cream pie.
Oh, we got a cream pie. That's right. Thanks for reminding me. Right, let's go in and have a nibble. Oh look, my pies have turned into a cake, a red velvet cake. What's happened there? My pies have disappeared. Oh, they're in that packet. Okay. Right, I normally get the chicken pie that is round, and the lady gave me this one. It's a chicken bake. Looks delish. Oh, it's very heavy. Let's try it. Oh look, it's chicken mashed up inside, and then this lovely pastry. Mmm, delish. Well, my chicken pie was delish, really nice. And now I've got my cream pie. It's like a afters, really. It's warm and it's really sweet. It really is delish. I highly recommend this. This is the cream pie, or the warm cream pie.
Will you be sharing that?
Would I be sharing it?
Would you be sharing that with anybody? Probably not by the...
I'll give you a little bit. Greedy chops over there wants some cream pie, guys. All right, I'll let you have a little taster.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
Yum yum.
That looks really delish. That was just €1.50, I do believe.
$1.90, I think.
No, that was €1.50, that particular one.
Ooh.
Delish. Good value for money. How's your kebabs?
Delish.
Delish. How was your picnic, Sue?
Absolutely delish.
Delish. Brilliant. Well, we're going to go in the Delish Sea in a minute. Looks a bit chilly, but should be all right. It's getting a bit dark. Who's going in the sea? Sue, you going in the sea?
Yes.
Sue's going in the sea. Brilliant. Well done. I can't see you really. It's a bit dark. Rob,
We're going on the sea, yes.
you're going to sea? Sue? Guys, we're all going in the sea. I might not go. It's a bit chilly.
If I go, you go.
I've got to go, guys. Right, so we're all going in the sea. Off we go then. How long we're going to be? 2 minutes. 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. I'll tell you what we do. I've got a little idea. If it is a little bit chilly, and this is what you do in the winter, is get in and actually go for a swim, guys. Don't just paddle around. Swim and come back. Is that a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
That's a plan. So guys, we've had our slow beer, haven't we? And you're having another cocktail, aren't you?
Yeah.
Another greedy chops, never mind. Anyway guys, our friends would like to do the ending. We're going off to film and show you our picnic, but we're going to do the ending now. So, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go,
Put it in the comments below.